Dear members of Africa Moringa Hub, beloved Moringa lovers all over the world, now we have come again to another recipe competition, the 5th edition of our recipe competition. 2020 has shown us with the arrival of the pandemic coronavirus that each person has the option to strengthen his immune system. And we know in our hub, we know as beloveds of Moringa, that Moringa is one of the significant plants that can help to enhance and strengthen the immune system of any person. We have known it before, as we were using Moringa to help people with immunodeficiencies and all the like. So, once more, we are happy to know that God has given us the best plant to serve to protect ourselves. Dear Africa Moringa Hub members, the 2021 edition of the Recipe Competition is a global event. That is, participants are not more limited on Africa continent, but from all over the world, as we have proven it with the first competition which took place at the beginning of this year, promoting quality Moringa powder. You still remember that some of our winners were coming from Sofra, Venezuela. I'm talking about Lichua Moringa products. So now, while we are calling off our contestants from various countries like Australia, South Africa, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Mali, Cameroon, Zambia, we are also thinking at our friends who are in Chad, because we have heard that the situation there is not as stable as usual. So now, let's also have a thought for all the people who passed away because of coronavirus. Beloved, I'm inviting you to participate to this competition, to this challenge of recipe, to bring out new recipe for our Moringa lovers all over the world, to convince them to understand that eating and plant Moringa is the slogan that we need to promote. We are staying behind all those growing and harvesting Moringa. We are staying behind those processing Moringa, sellers, lovers. Dear members, this competition will give us the opportunity to spread our conviction anywhere where Moringa can be used for cosmetic, for feeding animals, for fighting against malnutrition, for cleaning water. Beloved, you are now the person invited to participate. I declare launched the 5th edition of our recipe competition, the global one. Thank you.